Hello, so this is a room tour of the Holiday Inn Express in, where actually are we? In Shrewsbury. I have no idea where we are. Matilda's on a netball residential, so we've come to stay here. I've never stayed in a Holiday Inn Express before, I don't think. No. But it's actually really nice, apart from there's no, is there no light here? No. Oh, there we go. So you can see the door is where we've just come in behind me. We're room 11 on the ground floor, so we're next to the stairs. So there's quite a ample storage there, isn't there? Not many hangers though, with 6 hangers, but there's ample space, a nice little space here, ironing board and iron. You've got quite a few little storage pockets here. What's this? A hairdryer as well. So I suppose, you know, we're only here for like 2 nights, so it's enough for us. Then you've got, what did someone say this was for, to unpack your luggage with? Yeah. Yeah, I never knew what it was for. Trash can, kettle. They've got a little bit of, they haven't got no, oh yeah, they've got no everyday tea, green tea, a couple of coffees, milks and sugars, and 2 cups. Oh yeah, where did you go? Where did we only get biscuits? Is that Premier Inn? Doesn't show Premier Inn we got biscuits. Oh yeah, and also breakfast is included in this hotel. Yeah. So it showed that breakfast is any time from, I think it was like 7 a.m. till, no, it was until 10, I think, at least. Yeah. Full length mirror here. Sorry, I look bedraggled. I've been in work all day. And these are quite cute. I bet you could like hang stuff on them. Yeah, you can hang your coats and stuff, couldn't you? Or your bags. I'm thinking lounge flies and ears. USB charging. So they've got a big kind of desk area here. There's not, you think there'd be like a little chair here though? Yeah, that's TV, small TV, but they've got plug sockets there. This is, don't know, plug USB. They've got a lamp in the corner. This is like, I'm not really sure what that's meant to be.
That's the plumbing across that chair to re-tap.
Oh, okay, it's plug across chair. So I don't know why they've made up this as a bed, because Matilda's not with us, so unless we've got we've mixed up and put her on the booking. But I think what we're going to do is I think we're going to turn it back into the sofa, because there's only the 2 of us, and this bed is huge. It's like the bed that we've stayed in at the Radisson Blu, so it's a king plus, is it called? What is it? Oh, an emperor bed. Yeah, they say a king room, but it's because we've got a king size bed at home and it's not nowhere near as big as that. That's a massive bed. Yeah, it's basically 2 single beds. Oh, you can see there on the floor. It's basically 2 single beds put. I wonder if it's 2 single mattresses then. Yeah, it is. There's a line down the middle. Look. You could literally separate the beds if you wanted to. That's good. We've basically got our own single bed each. But like I said, I'm not really sure why that's there, but it's nice. At least we could just chill on it if we don't want to put it into a thing. Then they've got curtains. That's our view. Pretty bush. The window. Oh, the window opens a little bit as well. Then you've got the little kind of voile thing as well. Aircon, yeah, and it's nice, decorated nice, isn't it? It's nice and peaceful. So, oh, I like these. Yeah, little reading light. So there's a reading light, a main light, a USB, a phone, a light switch, and there's no storage under there, but it's just kind of a little, like, what do you call it? Shelf, that's the word. So there's the air conditioning control. So again, on this side, the same light, reading light, USB, plugs, light switches, and firm or soft, it's up to you. We've given you both, soft at the front and firm at the back. So it must be soft cushions are at the front and firm cushions are at the back. So pop your head down for a good night's sleep, or contact reception if you would prefer a feather pillow. That's nice. Never seen that before. And they've also put towels on the end of that bed there, fresh towels. Then we got this saying rest assured, clean team. So it's telling you that they've basically cleaned everything and there were standards. If it's not clean, please contact reception. Then they've got the toilet and shower area here. So just as I said, there was the door before in the wardrobe, so you just come this way. So they've got hanging space here. Oh, this is quite nice. It's a bit older, but it's all right. So you've got sink, toilet. It's quite spacious. It's not like really small, is it? Shavers, mirror, little kind of side lights here. Nice little picture. You've got your glasses and your tissues. And they've got hand and body. I do like these pump ones instead of it being the ones in the wrappers that you have to undo. Yeah. 2 toilet roll, towel and more towels. And then this is the shower area. So can you see that? Like there's the toilet and stuff. It is a bit strange, but I like it 'cause it's kind of like nice and... Oh, you open it like that. Oh. There we go. Oh, it's got a seat in the shower. Oh, I really like that. That's a really nice shower. It looks like old-fashioned, but it's actually not. So then they've got shampoo up there and hand and body wash as well. So they've got a little shell. That's really cool. So if I stand in the shower now, so you'd be like in it like this. This is cool because you could pose like, because of that like little wave, you could be in the shower and somebody could technically be on the toilet brushing their teeth or something. And you can even like sit here. This is nice. I like this. That's a really funky shower. I got in the shower and sat down. I thought it was pretty cool. I know I'm weird. Oh, there we go. So Ant's put it back up again as a sofa. Those cushions on the end look weird though.
I'm not sure how they're meant to go. The back one isn't big enough to cover all of it.
They're meant to like turn in. Oh, I don't think they're meant to turn. Oh, they've got like a thing there. So you're meant to thingy them on. There's a zip.
Oh, right.
Yeah, you're meant to zip it on.
Oh.
You must zip it on somehow. But it roughly goes like that. But that's nice. Look at all the space we've got now.
There's a big room.
Got like a sofa there. So we've got a huge kind of space here. I mean, even with that bed up, it was still spacious, wasn't it?
So much room for activities. Step brothers.
All right. I was thinking, why are you going to play netball? Only because you were saying to one of the other parents about taking the netball to play netball. There. So like I said, that's a really nice room. Oh, the remote and stuff's in here as well. Like a nice plastic thing. And then they've got that there, housekeeping. And there we go. So that is our room of the Holiday Inn Express in Shrewsbury, which is actually in the middle of an industrial park, just so you know as well. If you're thinking of coming on holiday here. There is things like really close by, like Shrewsbury Town Centre is not far away, is it?
No.
But this particular hotel is in the middle of an industrial park. They do have a bar area. They serve food at night, but there's only about 5 items on the menu, so it's pretty limited. But obviously breakfast is included, and it suited us for where we are because we're close to Matilda, aren't we? Yeah. She's at Condover Hall around the corner. So we will see you all soon. So thanks for watching. And that's going to end our little video.